Hi Pisces, how you doing? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are healthy, happy and fine. And okay, so I'm recording this video for the second time as my mobile blown away, like something happened to it because of the memory thing. So I'm recording this video for the second time for you guys. The cards are already spread on, so let's talk about it. But before that, I want to tell you that if you like this reading, if you think that this resonates with you, thank you so much. And if it doesn't, kindly check out the other youtubers. Also, one more thing, this is a general reading, this is a timeless reading, so that means that whenever you are opening a video, it might be happening in the current situation or it might be happening in the coming weeks. And if you want to help me with the donations, the donation link is given in the description box below. And also one more thing, guys, uh, if you want to book one-on-one reading with me, the details of the reading is also given in the description box below, so kindly check it out, guys. Okay, so let's start. Let's jump in right there, because I've already spread all the cards already while I was doing your first video recording, but due to some issue, that thing couldn't be recorded. Okay, so in the bottom of the deck is 8 of Swords. I'll be sharing with you the cards, like what are there, what are the things going through. Okay, so today's topic is what are you releasing and what's coming up for you guys. Okay, you are releasing confusion, you are releasing a hermit mode. No more stuck up with the no more stuck up with something, no more stuck up with a decision. You are no more holding back with something. Okay, you are no more confused about something in your life. I think this is mainly a love reading, because there is a 3 of Cups, reunion cup is there, that's why. So I'll be taking it as it resonates. Okay, so there's King of Cups, Queen of Cups. Okay, so it's a spiritual guided reunion is taking place, a reconciliation is taking place for you guys. Okay, because there is a reunion card. There is something, you were married with someone, or else you were in a relationship with someone, or you were thinking about a marriage or whatever it is. So a reconciliation is taking place. You might not be in a communication with that person, you might be in a distant with that person. So a reunion is taking place, because you have done a lot of analysis, lots of decision making you have done, and you have decided that no more holding back, no more thinking about the burdens you won't be carrying. There was also a third party situation, as the 3 of Cups also donates a third party situation. Okay, for you guys. So no more holding back, no more pain, you no more sad, depressed about it, no more burdens you'll be taking. You are moving away, you are walking away from something, a toxic situation or toxic people. You are coming out of it. You are going through your own happiness. You will be standing strong when it comes to your power. So there is a card of wish fulfillment. You are going towards your true happiness. Okay, you will be shining bright as a star. You will be going for, in the upcoming weeks, there is a travel or a movement is taking place. Specifically, either you will be dealing with any Piscean energy, any water energy, or else I'll be you are specifically dealing with Libra, or else Sagittarius, or else Leo, because there is a strength card and everything. Temperance card, there is a wheel of fortune taking place, end of a bad cycle or a toxic situation. No more dealing with bad situations or bad people anymore. You are truth is coming out in for you, and you are walking away from a toxic situation or toxic people, and thinking about taking an action, and moving towards a true happiness, your which fulfills you. No more holding back, moving towards your true happiness. There is a divine timing which is playing a role in your life. A spiritual reunion is taking place for you guys with the 3 of Cups. Okay, and you're walking away from something bad, something toxic, and a spiritual reunion is taking place for you guys. There you'll be standing strong when it comes to your own power. Yeah, you are taking an action. No, you won't be dealing with any more shit anymore. Okay, no more trapped in your head. You were trapped. You are releasing this trapped behavior, and you'll be taking an action. No more trapped behavior anymore. You are releasing this conflict. You are releasing this arguments and everything, whatever is happening around you or with you. No more daydreaming. You will be taking an action. Okay, the Lovers card. You might be dealing with a Gemini, preferably, but yes, two spiritually guided divine reunion is taking place, reconciliation is taking place as the Lovers, and Three of Cups is taking place, walking away from a third party situation and going to your truest happiness, guys. The Emperor, you will be you are walking away from an emperor, a bossy person, or any person who was like very authoritative, very dominating. So you're walking away from this. You're thinking about, you were no more stuck up with this new beginning, because there is a lot of clarification or clarities in your head, and you'll be taking a leap of faith in the near future, and you are just moving away with your own truest happiness. Ace of Pentacles, an opportunity is coming for you, guys. No more holding back, no more thinking about heartbreak, emotions, sadness, pain, releasing this third party situation and moving forward towards your truest happiness, which is that reunion or whatever it is. Knight of Wands, you are desperate in rushing in with your, you are taking an action, as there was a traveling card also. So I feel that you'll be traveling towards your truest happiness, and this moment is taking fast, like a divine timing is coming for you, guys. No more balancing a situation, taking an action, trusting your own intuitions. No more feeling sad or lonely, releasing all those sadness, depressed behavior or loneliness, and moving towards your truest happiness. Spiritual reunion is taking place, divine timing is taking place. An offer, you'll be offering a cup of love, and or else someone will be offering a cup of love to you. So yes, no more depressed, sad. See, 10 of Cups, Ace of Cups. Okay, Ace of Swords to Aces, guys. Okay, so a lot of clarification and communication is coming in your life. An offer of communication is taking place, an offer, a cup of love is taking place, and happily ever after will be taking place. A full happy family, happily ever after is taking place. A reunion with this reconciliation and reunion, and you will be utmost happy with this decision of yours, I feel. So yes, a lot of major arcanas are taking place in your guys, and divine timing is at play. So let's hope for the best, guys. Okay, so yeah, let's see. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, and if this resonates with you, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot, Pisces.